Don't throw away coffee grounds and shallot skins. These two simple ingredients can be turned into a liquid organic fertilizer that helps boost soil fertility and supports plant growth when used regularly. In this video, I share an easy method for making this liquid organic fertilizer, covering everything from preparing the ingredients, soaking, and straining, to the proper application techniques for chili peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and various other plants. How to make liquid organic fertilizer using a combination of coffee grounds and shallot skins. Prepare 2 handfuls of coffee grounds and about 2 to 3 handfuls of shallot skins. Place both ingredients into a clean bucket or bottle. Add 15 liters of clean water, then stir until well mixed. Cover the container and let the mixture steep for 24 to 48 hours in a shaded area. Before applying liquid organic fertilizer to any plant, first clear away any weeds growing around it. Weeds can compete with the plant for air, nutrients, and sunlight. Once the area is cleared, apply the liquid organic fertilizer around the base of the plant in the morning or late afternoon to ensure optimal nutrient absorption. After the soaking process is complete, strain the solution using a fine cloth or sieve to separate the coffee grounds and onion skins from the liquid. This filtered solution is used as a liquid organic fertilizer, making it easier to apply by watering it at the base of the plant or adding it to a sprayer without clogging the nozzle. Once filtering is complete, stir the solution thoroughly before use. Next, apply it by pouring the liquid organic fertilizer around the base of the plant in the morning or late afternoon. Use it regularly, every 1 to 2 weeks, as part of your plant care routine to maintain soil fertility and ensure healthy plant growth. Dosage. Dilute 100 to 200 milliliters of liquid organic fertilizer in 1 liter of water. Apply approximately 200 to 500 milliliters of the solution to the base of each plant, adjusting the quantity according to the plant's size. Frequency. Apply every 7 to 14 days in the morning or late afternoon. Avoid over-application to maintain the balance between the plant and soil conditions. With regular application of liquid organic fertilizer every 7 to 14 days, along with watering, adequate sunlight, and proper care, plants generally begin to show improved growth within about 2 to 4 weeks. Plants that have entered the generative phase may begin to flower within the next few weeks, depending on the species and condition of the plant. Marigold leaves can be used to make liquid organic fertilizer, POC, or botanical extracts. However, their benefits should be clearly understood. Marigold leaves and flowers contain natural compounds that help suppress certain types of pests, making them suitable for use as botanical pesticides. Liquid organic fertilizer made from marigold leaves supports plant health due to its organic content, but it does not directly stimulate flowering or fruiting in chili plants. To promote flowering and fruiting, plants still require adequate amounts of nutrients such as phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. How to make marigold leaf liquid organic fertilizer. Prepare 500 grams of marigold leaves and chop them finely. Place them in a bucket and add 5 liters of water. Allow the mixture to ferment for 7 to 14 days in a shaded area, stirring once daily. Strain the liquid before use. Dilute 100 to 200 milliliters of the fertilizer in 1 liter of water. Then spray it onto the leaves or apply it to the base of the plant every 7 to 10 days. Application of marigold leaf liquid organic fertilizer, POC, on chili plants. Spray during the morning, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, or late afternoon, 1600 to 1800. Dilute 100 to 200 milliliters of marigold leaf POC in 1 liter of water and stir thoroughly. Spray evenly over the entire plant, focusing on the undersides of leaves, stems, and young shoots, as pests often hide in these areas. Repeat the application every 7 to 10 days, or more frequently during periods of high pest infestation. Avoid spraying during scorching heat or when rain is imminent to prevent the solution from evaporating too quickly or washing off. With regular application, marigold leaf extract can help reduce pest problems while supporting chili plant growth as part of an integrated care regimen. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this information proves useful and helps your chili plants grow healthier and more vigorous while staying free from pests. Please support this channel by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on future gardening tips. See you in the next video. May your garden always flourish and yield an abundant harvest.